Greetings to the occupational safety and health community in the Middle East. My name is Trish Ennis, President of the American Society of Safety Engineers. On behalf of ASSE's global network of more than 37,000 members, I would like to recognize this special occasion when the American Society of Safety Engineers Kuwait chapter celebrates excellence in occupational health, safety, and the environment in the entire Gulf region. ASSE GCC HSE Excellence Award is both unique to and important for workplace safety's global community. It is unique because it speaks not just to the existence of excellence as a standard of performance, but also excellence as an attainable standard. It is always important that as a profession and as professionals, we understand, appreciate, and accept the challenge of continuing excellence in the day-to-day outcomes we create through our conscientious effort to make workplaces as safe as possible. It is a collective application of our knowledge body that speaks for a professional commitment to which we must all aspire and which many of us can sustain. The award committee was masterful in identifying key categories in which it measures a sustained effort towards safety, health, and environmental practices in engineering and construction, manufacturing, oil and gas, and facility maintenance in 4 important areas of OSH practice: management of driving safety, management initiative, corporate social responsibility, and environmental excellence. I would like to congratulate all of those organizations that competed in this year's award selection process, and of course to all who will go home today winners. Enjoy today's award ceremony, and thank you for your participation and contribution.